Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to see the Capgemini interview questions. Actually, one of my subscriber has got placed in Capgemini and she has shared the interview questions with us. So what I would do is I'll share these interview questions with you in the LinkedIn as well. And let me open all the questions. So she had applied for a test automation interview. And these were the interview questions asked to her. What is the difference between get and navigate? Navigate functionalities, right? When this type of method is used, what is the significance of this method? Why we prefer to go for XPath and why we prefer to go for relative XPath? That also can be the question that you can expect. Then you can expect questions on action class methods, how to fetch table data. So you need to write XPath for that. Difference between contains and start with locators. Without using send keys, how we pass the text. What is preceding and following sibling locators? What is WebDriver? If we write Chrome driver D equal to new Chrome driver, is this the statement correct? So the basic things they will ask. Then what is the difference between interface and abstract? Can we create object for abstract class? Is it possible overriding for constructor and overloading also? So again, constructor related questions. So she had actually a good command on Java programming language. That's why you can expect all these programming languages questions as well. Difference between list and set, array list and linked list, and difference between array and array list. Now, difference between overloading and method overriding. What is the use of inheritance, and is it possible to inherit the data from the child class to parent class? Okay, generally we inherit the data from parent to child. Is it possible to inherit the data from child to parent class? What is encapsulation? What are private access modifiers? Right. Then if I want to call the data in another class, which keyword we can use? What is the difference between this and super keyword? Then she was also asked to write a program swapping the two numbers without using third variable. What is the difference between final and static? Why string is immutable? String s equal to Java, s equal to Selenium. What is the output, right? So you can expect questions on string operations as well. They might ask you to compare two strings, right? They might ask you to perform some operation on two strings and check whether they both are same or not. What are OOPS concepts we are using while creating the form? What is the use of form? Maven structure. What is the use of testng? What are testng annotations? What is the difference between before method and before class? About data provider, about testng listeners, types of assertions. Then this was a manual testing question. I have 10 test cases. If I want to run only 5 test cases, how to execute an XML file? Sorry, this is again automation related question. So it's 10 test cases are there and then she wants to run only 5 test cases. Then without using XML file, how can we run the test cases? So these were the questions that were asked to one of my subscriber who recently got placed in Capgemini. And she had actually shared all these questions via the YouTube comment itself. So you can see in our video, Capgemini interview questions, there is a comment from her. So once again, congratulations to her that she got placed in Capgemini. And actually, these interview questions are, not bifurcated as per first round, second round, or third round, but these are the questions that she got. Now, it might happen you might get these questions in the second round or in the first round itself. So it depends on technical interview and it can be individual level experience for everyone. Right? So if you are also giving any interviews, so please share interview questions with us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Right. So this is our email address. You can also apply for mock interview. Right. And second thing is these questions I would be uploading on my LinkedIn profile. So I'll put my LinkedIn profile URL in the comment section of this video. So you can go to my LinkedIn profile and you can get all these questions in the document kind of a file from LinkedIn itself. Right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.